y'all, welcome back. Happy New Year. Yes, this is going to be my official video that I am dropping for the new year. I am feeling refreshed. I am feeling relaxed. I appreciate y'all so much. To all my new subscribers, to all my current subscribers, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, I literally just had a wig sale. I would like to take my time out to thank each and every one of you guys that actually participated and bought something. I truly, 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 truly love y'all so much for the support. Thank y'all so much. So let's get into this review. This wig is coming from RPGSHOW. Y'all already know how I feel about RPGSHOW. They always come with a pre-plucked, pre-bleach type wig. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, and as well, I did show the actual card of the wig info in the beginning of the video too. So as y'all can see, I am not doing no plucking, no bleaching, no anything. Now I am just flattening the top of that unit so she can look a little bit more flatter. I'm trying my best not to use as much product. I'm going over the wig with my hot comb. So right now, this is what the hair is giving. Once I straightened her out a little bit at the top, I kind of used that wax stick to kind of give a more flat foundation. As y'all can see, I'm putting on this wig and I'm thinking it's a middle part, and I'm like, why is this so crooked? And then I realized, okay. So boom, I see that this is a right side part, and automatically, no offense to my right side part girls, but I am a left side part girl. So right now I am flipping her over to the left side. Like, look at that hairline, y'all. Didn't pluck a thing. Again, RPG Show is going to give you that quality every single time, y'all. Definitely wear this wig glueless. But of course, I'm going to add some adhesive to it. The construction of this wig is everything. I love how it comes with the elastic band in there. It has the combs for extra security. I am really feeling this color. Overall, I would definitely rank this wig beginner friendly. As far as the price point, baby, she's a cute coin. She's a cute coin. But again, you can never put a price on quality. You get what you pay for. And yeah, Y'all, RPG show wigs really be lasting. They really do. As far as the hairline, I would definitely have to give the hairline a 10 out of 10. I would give the construction of this unit a 10 out of 10. She did shed, but she didn't tangle. She did hold her curl very well. Even with this being what it is as far as the price point, this hair is extremely beginner friendly. So if this is your first time buying a wig and you are really thinking about, investing in some really good hair, this is the perfect pickup. Like, look at how soft. Ugh, look how soft this hair looks, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, the button is right there. Let me know how you guys are feeling this unit in the comment section. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.